spick and span and looking good. So they come up there and check us out. I said, what do you do about the dirt? Well, sweep it too. Yeah, that was on top of dirt. I was in them tents for 2 weeks before I could get into America.
Downtown Eustis Cruise Inn in Fair Park. Are you open, Kendra? Registration? It looks like there's a few people up there. Oh, Kendra. She looks like she's open, so we'll have a vehicle here.
What you want for it?
I'm asking
55 for it. What should they call it? I got your number right here. 352-875-5321.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name's Nate.
Nate? There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir. Okay, so it's been hotter than hell here. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna put together a little video. I've been hanging out with my friends here. Well, I've been hanging out with these guys.
Me? Am I your friend?
Yeah, I've been hanging out with these guys. And
Are you really filming?
yeah.
You're not putting me on it to hold. I'm not gonna talk to you no more. That's it. Nothing to say.
Can you repeat that? I want it on camera. He said he wasn't going to talk to me no more.
I'm not going to talk to you no more, Tom.
I got proof.
Alan.
I'm not Tom.
I know, you both screwed me up too.